Good Tuesday morning, class. This is a picture of in my neighborhood. There's always a lot of deer out in the morning. So this is close to our house that we're staying at in Texas. I hope everyone had a great Monday. Today we will welcome Francis Lezama to our class at 8:30. You need to complete your Travel Tuesday morning work before we meet at 8:30 so that we can share where everyone traveled to this morning. Today at 9:45, we will share the partner interview activity we did last week. We will probably only have time for just about half the class, so the other class we will do tomorrow or Thursday. Okay. At 10:45, we will begin our math pre-assessment. I have not scheduled it as an assignment yet because I need for Tiziana, Sophia, and Rafaela to sign into Wiser Me. I sent your parents specific instructions on how to sign into Wiser Me. Francis, I will schedule a time for you to get signed up. So while they're taking the test, the pre-assessment, maybe I can help you in a breakout room. Um, a reminder, when we are in Zoom, you should be on mute until I call on you, okay? I need to make that reminder. So let's make it a great Tuesday, guys, and I'll see you at 8:30.